To prepare for installation, remove the fixed injection system from the vise and lay it down so that no damage can occur to the injection system. When releasing the bolts from the special tool plate, counter hold at the supports. Remove the service plate. Unscrew the first support. Coat a new bolt with thread locking compound. Screw it in. And tighten as specified in the service literature. Repeat the process on the other injectors. One support after the other must be removed and replaced by a new injector bolt. Never release both injector bolts at the same time. The connection between injector and bracket with an O-ring seal would then no longer be guaranteed and leaks could occur. Rotate the assembly to replace the second row of supports. Lay the assembly down to avoid damage to the injection system or pressure sensor. On the second row, again replace the supports in succession with new bolts, coated with thread locking compound. There is no need to recut the threads in the injector bracket to remove thread locking compound, as the threads have been cleaned by the supports.